music is on.
Honey, why are you so sad? Honey, why are you so unhappy? I don't understand.
You don't love me, mate.
But I love you very much.
This untrue. You love my answer, Mary. You think she is lovely and I'm angry.
Why just one last month I took Merly for lunch. You must not be worried. I like your company much better than Merly.
Oh, shut up, mate.
But honey, I think you are wonderful. You must not.
Shut up.
When you know, you know.